Got some water and mud coming in. That's a funny sound about that beaver. Yeah, I'm getting back to this one.
Pretty nice stuff, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
That's all it is, just fucking old nasty old mud water. Might find some fish in there. Can't leave my bed.
Yeah. Tell you what, if you have any more of that, I'll probably have you dump it on bottom. That's gonna be kind of fun to deal with, I bet.
I bet it dries out quick.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just gonna kind of shove it over the hill there and get it out of the way. Yeah, if you have any more of it, just kind of dump it down there on bottom by them piles, and I'll just shove it back.
Okay.
Use it for.
I can stay up here on above the debris and you can push it right with the debris.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, I appreciate it. Yeah, just you'll see where there's a couple piles of debris. There's kind of a little bit that goes back. Just kind of get it beside the pile. Don't put it over here in the corner or nothing. Just,
So you want on that far side?
yeah, just
right?
on that far side. I appreciate it.
Yep, I'd say there'd be some more. I just don't. I can't tell you for sure, but
All right.
I was hauling it somewhere else, and they got state said it had to come here
Okay.
because it's free dumping
For mud.
dirt.
Okay.
I guess that's all. I know.
All right.
I'm just a truck driver.
Yeah,
I'm
hell.
gonna get my split bar out. I gotta get some of that off of there.
All right, buddy. Nasty pile of mud. I think I'll try to dry something through it later.